The last few years have been extremely challenging for all of us. Whether we are affected by the lockdown, health problems, depression, or the job loss, we all are overwhelmed by the pandemic, and thinking what next. Hundreds of thousands of people are facing an incredibly difficult time, financially. Several are looking for other ways to make a little extra money. One of the options would be earning from the wardrobe. That is, joining a tailoring business. Are you thinking how to open your own boutique, or start a tailoring business? You can join government-certified vocational training courses, provided by Disha Fashion Institute, affiliated to Educational Board of Vocational Training and Research, Government of India. Are you a working professional and cannot visit the institute to fulfill your dream of learning apparel designing? Are you a homemaker but want to learn tailoring from home? Disha Fashion Institute provides both online classes and classroom trainings. Learn tailoring from industry experts. Get guidance on boutique management and online business. In our tailoring courses, you will learn cutting and stitching in most professional way. A sewing machine is the unsung hero of many of our life. In Disha Fashion Institute, you will get all types of basic to advanced tailoring and fashion designing courses. Let us read few of the stories of our satisfied learners, which are among thousands of them. So, what are you waiting for? We are just one click, or one phone call away. Visit www.ushafoundation.in. Call 7439343055 or 97481233949.